Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite annuals, cosmos, and how they'll bloom right into late fall if you keep deadheading them. Okay. These ones here, I bought a 4-inch pot and put them in, and now they, I should have given them more space, obviously. These ones here I have put in myself in seed in June, early June, and they've just started blooming like 2 weeks ago. But what we're going to do today to make sure they keep blooming, both of them, we are going to deadhead them. So here on the flower, we see we've got some spent blooms already. If I work my camera properly. Right here. And all we'll do now is we'll take that dead bloom and right back where it meets the plant, we'll snip it right off. So there we have it. And I don't snip them until they're spent. I don't mind them if they're just a little curled on the edges or whatever. I think it gives a little character. But once they're like this, then you should snip them off, and more will just, it'll get bushier and bushier, and more will just keep blooming. I've been deadheading this regularly since I got it, at least once a week. And I've started now deadheading this one since it's blooming. And with these large ones, you should put them in a tomato trellis sort of thing when they're small. I didn't, and now I have braced it with some sticks. But as you can see, a little support would be good. Anyways, I hope you like them. They are cosmos, and they're great as an annual to your garden. Thanks.